Hey everybody, Simon here. I want to show you how to install our BISON series all-wheel drive skid plate system. Step 1, remove this. With the hardware that's included with your kit, you insert it in the upper left bolt hole here and pull the washer to the front. Top corner here is a notch, so you can easily slide it onto the bolt. Included in your skid plate kit, you will have button head stainless steel bolt with a big washer. We're going to go ahead and insert it through the subframe and use a nut on the top to tighten it. Once these two bolts here are threaded into their nuts, we're just going to leave them loose for now. Skid plate number 2, you slide it between skid plate number 1 and the subframe. Same hardware as the first skid plate. We have a button head stainless steel bolt with a nut. We're going to insert it through the skid plate and into the hole that we have in the subframe. It's not easy. So these two holes, this one and that one, are already drilled into your cross member. All you have to do is drill them right through using a 3/8 bit. With the long carriage bolt, you want to go right through the cross member here. At this point, you can make sure everything is lining up straight, and you can go ahead and tighten all 3 sections together. And the last, but not the least, skid plate number 4. As you can see, the first 2 sections are finished in that nice satin black, and we left these unfinished so you can see better what we're doing here. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten these 3 bolts, and the installation is complete. Our skid plate system is strong, light, and easy to install, and now you're ready to explore with confidence.